My name is Kaelyn, and I actually never done this before, but my mom done this plenty of times. So, I'm excited to see what you do in it. So let's get started. So what you'll need is a spoon, a bowl. I'm using two bowls, one for my mom, one for me. And my mom's the one who's recording it. A cup of milk. You can do 2 cups of milk, one to pour into here, and you need that much. And 2 packets of oatmeal. That's what it will look like. That's the kind I like in the mornings. I love that kind. And so let's get started again. So what you will need to do first is pour the oatmeal packet in. You need to get it all next time. Come on. A little more. There. And then you pour the packet. This is what the flakes look like. They're really good when they're dry. Yummy and I told you. They're really good. I promise. They're really good. Oatmeal's really good. Then you pour the other packet in. Straight across easy. And into that one. And then you take your spoon and then you mix it. Just for just that many minutes.